welcome friends, subscribers, internet strangers. What's up? So, how you doing? So we're starting today at Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles. It was suggested we come eat here. This place is packed. There's the menu. Johnny held that up. I'll pan around the restaurant. And I'll come back and tell you how good it is. Just on reputation alone and how many people are here, I know it's going to be great. But just wanted to say good morning. That got a slow start to the day. This trip, mornings have been pretty rough on Johnny with her health, so not that big a deal. We'll find something to do this afternoon. We don't know. She wants to go back to Rodeo Drive, so that might happen.
Griffith Observatory.
Probably the Griffith Observatory first, and then if we get any energy left, we'll do that. All right. So welcome to Monday. It's going to be a great Monday. So I got a chicken breast with waffles, and Joni got the Tuesday special on Monday, which is cornbread, chicken, greens, and potato salad. I know you're jealous again. I eat good on the road. This is awesome. So you know, when an overflow parking lot is full and you're having to wander through the overflow parking lot back to the van, what kind of food the place has got. Oh my Lord.
It was so good.
The chicken was brined. At least it tastes like it was. Really, really good. Thanks for the suggestion. I think Michelle over in Steve and Steph's, I think in our chat last night, is the one who suggested that. Outstanding.
I thought Lisa and Sean,
or maybe Lisa,
Kim and Sean,
maybe Kim and Sean, I don't know. Somebody did. Whoever did, we appreciate that because that was good food. So now, on to the Griffith Observatory, I think. Like the van. It's nice that the van recognizes keys. When each of you have a key, works out good.
What up with this?
So Griffith Observatory, if you live in this area and don't eat Roscoe's chicken and waffles, shame on you. Server was great, awesome personality, nice young lady.
She's so sweet.
So what a good time. So it's been proven I don't have the world's greatest of luck. The observatory is closed on Mondays. So we're down here at the bottom of the park. I'll see what I can do about spinning this thing around and getting you guys. There it sits. The top of the hill. Watch out, Johnny.
I think we could get closer.
You're in my shot. The lady said, "It'll be open tomorrow. You can just come right back tomorrow. Everything will be good." Well, Johnny flies out tomorrow.
I think we could get closer.
So the park is beautiful. We're gonna walk this way. Went back and got the crazy gimbal so you guys wouldn't have to bounce. Oh, there's one place I gotta go. Y'all wanna go to the bathroom with me? That'd be kind of creepy. Everything looked all good. We were going to ride the buses up to the top, park down here at the bottom, and it's closed. It's just hard to imagine the view. Okay, we'll start with the Griffith Observatory. We'll come down just slightly to a lot of the downtown buildings, and then if you come over that little ridge right there, I don't know how much of this you guys can actually see, but that's a lot of LA out there. I zoomed in so we will go back the other way.
The Hollywood sign, I think, is right around this corner.
Yeah, we're stuck here with the smog. Oh, the observatory got ate by the hill. And the signs are right here somewhere. It's just ridiculously gorgeous. And there's a plane I know it can't pick up way back there in the background. But it's just absolutely amazing. I did not realize. I mean, I didn't know LA was surrounded by hills, but you know, every time I'm going through downtown, I don't know if it shows up in some of the video, but you can see snow-capped mountains in the distance. I mean, it's just freaking ridiculous. If you don't believe in a creator, I don't understand the work that's done here. Just the Big Bang Theory did not cause all this. Sorry. What a peaceful place up here. But we have to go because we're illegally parked. So I have this question that you guys can answer in the comments below. So we just passed a psychic and Joni made a little comment, haha, we want to go to a psychic? The question is, does she already know we're not coming? Do you think she already knew there go the Zilkeys, they're not coming? She had a psychic vision that big bearded fellow, no psychics. Interesting thought. You tell me. All right, here we go. Sunday afternoon. Rosencrantz Avenue Shake Shack. I want to let you know how it is. Crowded.